We did have some severe storms last night and large hail and wind, even the possibility of an isolated tornado.
Well, we didn't see any tornadoes. Do you know how they form? Well, Candace Monticelli is going to show us this morning. Hello there.
Hello, good morning. So yesterday we did have that large hail and wind, heavy downpours, quite a lightning show as well. But the good news is no tornadoes. But I think the more we learn about them and understand them, the better we will be prepared and not so scared for them later on. So we're going to create a tornado today. So here's what you need for today's experiment: a small clear plastic bottle, some water, dish soap, and then glitter and food coloring. Those last two, though, are optional. It just makes your experiment a little cooler. So you want to take your bottle, fill it about 3/4 of the way, maybe even a little bit more than 3/4 of the way with water. Then take dish soap. I know we're all washing a ton of dishes right now, so you have plenty of this around. And you want to put a few drops of dish soap into your bottle of water. I'm going to leave out the food coloring this time, but we'll add in some glitter. Just makes it more fun for when we start to have our tornado spinning around here in this bottle. So now you want to screw on the top pretty darn tight, because we are going to flip over our bottle, and then you just want to rotate this in a vertically circular motion, and we'll start to see that tornado forming inside the bottle. This one is a lot easier and a lot better to see at home, just like all of these, but you'll notice a little ripple of a tornado in the center of the bottle, so it's really cool. So we learned over the past several weeks that thunderstorms form with mainly three ingredients, and that's moisture, instability, and lift. But in order to get a tornado, you need one more extra ingredient. You need rotation. And that's seen in the atmosphere in the way of wind shear or change in wind direction. So that's the last ingredient that's needed to get this rotation. So first you'll have that unstable, warm, moist air colliding with the cold air. And then that lifting mechanism happens in the way of typically a cold or even a lake breeze for us, and then the rotation element is added. So pretty cool way to understand all the ingredients needed to form that thunderstorm. And today, the National Weather Service and the Weather Ready Nation ambassadors are asking all of us to post a photo online of our safe place. So we want to take a safe place selfie, post it at 11:11 using the hashtag safe place selfie. So that's typically in the lower level of your home, an interior room with no windows, usually a closet or a bathroom. But it just gets everybody on the same page for where to go in case of severe or extreme weather. And today we just learned a little bit more about it in the way of tornadoes. So really cool way to continue to prepare for our severe weather season. So that's your weather experiment for today. Send me those photos on Facebook. We'll share them of all our future meteorologists around.